Why a device like this gives a blockchain value. You first need to understand how your bank currently handles your transactions. Simplified, you deposit money on your bank shows your balance on your account if you log into your account. If you want to send money to someone else, the bank simply subtracts the money from your account and adds it to the other one's account. This all happens on a centralized database. This means that only the bank controls this database and no one can read from this database except for the bank. So you never exactly know how they do it, but you simply see with your bank app that they do it, but you have no idea what they do on the background. The bank works together with the government to sometimes stop transactions from happening or sometimes even freeze accounts. This is all possible simply because they are the only ones who own and control this database. This sounds good in good times if you live in a well-organized society, but unfortunately history tells us that it's sometimes used against the people. The blockchain community, especially the Bitcoin people, believe in a separation between the state and money. To achieve this, devices like this are needed. Blockchains are a network of small computers called nodes to reach a consensus on the state of the network or of the state of the database. All these nodes save a file that contains all the transactions ever done on the network. All the transactions are open and can be seen by everyone in public. Because all the people that run these nodes are living in different countries and do not know each other, it's a decentralized network and transactions cannot be stopped by anyone. This example was about a bank, but this also works for media, for example social media. Everything that has a database that is in central control can be decentralized. But be careful. Some blockchain projects say they are decentralized, but in the end they do not have a lot of people at home running these nodes, but they simply only have a couple of very big computers that run all these transactions. And these transactions can be stopped because they are all controlled by the same entity. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most decentralized networks, and therefore they also have a lot of value because the only value of a blockchain is decentralization. If a blockchain is centralized, it's basically just a database like the other banks. Now you also understand why governments and banks do not really like blockchains. It's a real people's movement. If you want to know more about the Ethereum economy, follow me for more.